In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight fillable fields in a PDF using the Prepare Form tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is incredibly useful for those who want to ensure their PDF documents are interactive and user-friendly by making fillable fields stand out. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you haven't already, launch the application and then open the document you want to edit. This is a crucial step because the tools we'll be using are only available once your PDF is fully opened within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Next, you'll navigate to the All Tools tab located in the global toolbar. By clicking on this tab, you'll see a wide range of options available to you. What we need to select from this list is Prepare a Form. This tool allows us to manipulate and enhance the form fields within your PDF. Once you have the form tool open, identify a text field you wish to highlight. You'll right-click on it to bring up a menu, and from here select Properties. The Properties window is where all the magic happens. It provides various options to customize the appearance and functionality of your form fields. In the Properties window, head to the Appearance tab. This is where you'll have the opportunity to change how your field looks. One of the first things you'll want to do is select a border color for the text field. Choosing a bright or contrasting color can help the field stand out, making it easier for users to identify it as an area meant for input. After selecting a border color, it's time to adjust the line thickness and line style. These settings dictate how prominent the border will be. Thicker lines or dashed styles can draw attention to the field, while more subtle choices create a less obtrusive yet still visible boundary. If you'd like to make the field even more noticeable, you can add a fill color. This is optional but can be a great way to ensure the field is easily spotted at a glance. Choose a fill color that complements the rest of your document design while still providing enough contrast to be distinctly visible. Once you're satisfied with the appearance settings, click Close to save your changes. But before wrapping up, there's one last thing to do. At the bottom left of the Acrobat window, you'll find a Preview button. Clicking this allows you to see how your newly highlighted text field will appear to users. This preview is crucial for ensuring everything looks as intended. By following these steps, you'll have successfully highlighted fillable fields in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, making your document more interactive and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.